Write an equation, write a quadratic equation in vertex form. This is the topic for today. A quadratic equation in vertex form. Campeones, this is the Algebra 2 class. Today we're gonna show you how solve a quadratic equation in this form. We have some concepts here before to start our class today. The vertex form parabola opens up or down if the question is like in this way, y equals a times x minus h to the second power plus k. You see this formula? You remember on the vertex form parabola, the vertex is h and k. This is the vertex h and k. If a is greater than 0, then the parabola opens up. If the a is less than 0, the parabola opens down. We have another concept in the vertex form parabola. When it open right or left, is in this way: x equals a times y minus k to the second power plus h. The vertex is h and k. H and k is going to be the vertex. If a is greater than 0, then opens right. If a is less than 0, then the parabola opens left, right? We have, this is the main, the one concept, and the second ones that we need to know before to solve or write the quadratic equation in vertex form. We have to know how complete the square. We have the quadratic equation in this form: x to the second power plus bx plus c. And this formula, this form, you have to add and subtract b divided by 2 to the second power, and you have to add and subtract. For example, we have the formula there, and then we have to rewrite again the formula in this way. We are going to have x to the second power plus bx, right? Plus c plus b divided by 2 divided by 2 to the second power. We have to add it right here, right? And then minus c, right? Minus plus c in this case. Plus c minus b divided by 2 to the second power. That's the one step. The next step in the formula, you have to solve a little bit there. You have to solve a little bit there. I mean, the first step. The first step. Let me rewrite without to solve, just like that, because I don't want to get confused. Let me rewrite the formula. First step, just write like you see, like this. The second power minus b divided by 2 to the second power. Okay, just add and subtract, right? That's the first step. Add and subtract. So first step. And second step, we have to now the step that I did: x squared plus bx, right? Bx now plus, let me use another color, plus, we're gonna write plus b to the second power, right? Right there, to the second power. Now write the crochet, all right? Plus c, now the step that I already did, plus c minus now b divided by 2 to the second power, right? That's the second step. Third square, and the last one, third square, third step, third step, next step, is going to be, so this is a square perfect, right? You are going to write like this, x to the second power. No, it's the last one, yeah? You don't have to write like that. Plus b to the second, divided by 2, here, is to the second power, see? Here is to the second power, this, alright? So whereas plus c minus, right? Minus b divided by 2 to the second power, right? So that's it. So now we are gonna solve one problem. So this is the explanation. This is the way to development the complete square. This is the way to complete the square in quadratic equation. This is when the trinomial is not perfect square. When the trinomial is not perfect square, you need to complete the perfect square in the trinomial, right? So let me erase it here, and then let's go to solve one example, okay? So now we're gonna solve one problem. We're gonna solve, let's do x to the second power plus bx let me write 6x plus 50. All right, so like we teach before, we're gonna make first the perfect square. We have to make a perfect square, right? And then so how do you write that equation, that quadratic equation? How do you write that quadratic equation? We're gonna have first this. We're gonna divide by this, x squared plus 6x, right, plus 50, right? So next step, we have to add, remember the formula before, so we have to add, we are gonna have x squared right here plus 6x, right, plus 6 divided by 2 to the second power, right, minus, add and subtract, 6, add and subtract b divided by 2, b is, in this case b, this is a, b, c, right, divided by 2 to the second power, right, whereas plus 50, okay, that's the first step. Next step, we are gonna divide the quadratic equation in this way, x squared plus, whereas plus 6x, right, 6x, and then what else? We have to add it, 6 divided by 2 to the second power, right? 6 divided by 2 to the second power. It's like that. Now, write the quartets. What else? What is the next step? So now subtract 6 divided by 2 to the second power, right? To the second power plus 50. So that's the first step. Next, simplify this. Simplify that. We are going to have x squared plus 6x plus 6 divided by 2 is 3, right? That's it. Whereas, how simplify this is minus 6 divided by 2 is 3. 3 to the second power is 9, right? 9 plus 50, right? It's going to be x plus 6 plus 3, right? Plus 15 positive 15 minus 9 is going to be 6, right? 6. That's it. So this is a perfect square. Now it's a perfect square. You have to write x plus 3, right? What else? To the second power plus 6. And then the problem is done. It's done, the problem. Here. So how write the conclusion? How write the conclusion? Write the quadratic equation. So write the quadratic equation in vertex form. So quadratic equation in vertex form. The quadratic equation in vertex form is that we got it over there. Y equals x plus 3 to the second power plus 6, and that's done, right? This is one example how solve or how write the quadratic equation in vertex form. You have a quadratic equation this form that is not perfect. This perfect trinomial square. You have to make or complete the perfect square. Complete the perfect extended trinomial, and then you got it the right conclusion that we started before. So the quadratic equation in vertex form is y equals x plus 3 to the second power is a perfect binomial plus 6. That's it. Thank you so much. Les recuerdo que educar es como siempre, educar es impregnar de sentido todo lo que hacemos en cada momento. See you next time. Thank you so much.